Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing a recipe of avocado pudding. Usually we make an avocado salad, burrito bowl or an avocado milkshake. But today I'll be sharing a unique recipe which will turn your boring avocados into a delicious dessert. First you need to find a fully ripe avocados which should be soft but not mushy. If you are bored of eating your regular boring avocados, or if you are looking for a new avocado based recipe, then you should definitely try this. Try this now and impress your family member and guest. Okay, now let's get back to the recipe. We will need 2 avocados for the recipe, and when you buy the avocado, make sure you buy a thicker and a rounder one and not a thin and taller one, okay? The thicker would be more delicious. Now we have to cut the avocado into 2 pieces, remove the seed out, and then we'll take the pulp. We will need 1 and half avocado pulp, and the other half keep it aside, we will need it later. The 1 and half avocado pulp we'll add it into a mixer jar, and then we have to add 1 cup of a heavy cream. If you don't have heavy cream, you can add fresh cream as well, but heavy cream would be thicker in consistency. And then you have to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of a sugar. Check the sweetness and add accordingly, more or less, and then add 1 cup of a fresh milk. Blend in a mixer jar and it will turn into a fine paste. Now just look at the consistency. It shouldn't be very thin. The consistency should be as shown in the video. And then we will need a cooking pot. Add the blended mixture into a cooking pot. Now we have to cook this mixture in a very low flame just for 5 minutes. At this point, if you freeze it, it will turn into a really delicious ice cream. But anyways, let's get back to the pudding. We have to heat it in a low flame and then add half cup of a milk, and we have to give it a good boil. Once it starts boiling, turn off the flame, keep it aside and let it cool. Now we have to make a setting component, that is our agar-agar water. Now we have to boil the half cup of agar-agar to 1 cup of a water. Add 2 tablespoons of a sugar and let it boil. And then we have to turn off the flame, and then we will add agar-agar water to a prepared avocado base. Pour the agar-agar water immediately after turning off the flame. You have to pour it hot, or else if you keep it aside to cool, it will turn into a cakey texture. So before it turns into a cakey texture, we have to mix everything together. Mix everything together, and when it is still hot, give it a good mix and then pour it in a pudding tray. At this point, you have to do everything very quickly. Don't wait for the pudding to set in a cooking pot itself. Pour the avocado base in a pudding tray when it is still hot. Instead of an agar-agar water, you can use gelatin as well, but it's not easy to find a halal based gelatin. If you get a halal based gelatin, you can use that as well. And then keep it aside and let it set. And now we will prepare the top layer of a pudding. Now we have to take the half avocado which we have kept aside previously, add 2 tablespoons of a sugar, half cup of a water, and then we have to caramelize the avocado in a very low flame. And then once you are done with this, you have to pour it over the prepared pudding. Pour over the pudding not when pudding is completely set, or not when pudding is not set at all. You have to pour when the pudding is like 70 to 75% set. Pour all the prepared caramelization and then you have to spread evenly. Just look at the beautiful green color. Be careful and make sure that you don't add any avocado peel, not even a bit, to the pudding, or else it will turn completely bitter. You can then top it up with dry fruits and nuts of your own choice. And then you have to set it in a refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours, and that's it guys. Your avocado pudding will be ready soon. Place it in a refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours to set it completely, and let me know in the comment section if you are going to try the recipe or not. And if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first one to watch it.